Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a VIVO T2 Pro, and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So first of all, start with the internet connection, make sure that you've got one, Wi-Fi, mobile data, whatever, and then let's enter the Play Store. Be aware that you will have to be either logged in or you will have to sign up right now, so create the Google account in order to be able to use the Google Play Store. If you want to learn more of how to add the Google account to the device, simply check our tutorial of how to do it. I've just recorded it, so you can simply follow it and then come back here. So then let's simply tap on the circle, which is your account, and tap on Manage Apps and Device. Now let's tap on Manage, and as you can see here, we've got the list of all currently installed apps, and simply tap on Updates Available to check which one we can update. Basically, find the app you'd like to update. Of course, if you want to, you can mark all of them. If not, 1, 2, 3, whatever, just pick those which you want to update and tap on this update icon in the right upper corner. And as you can see, your device will right now download the updates, and after that they will be successfully and automatically installed, so you do not really have to do anything more, just wait patiently. Of course, you don't have to wait here, you can do whatever you want. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.